Class, your new topic is multiplication of fraction. I am taking the example of two fractions like this. So these two are the fraction, how we multiply them. For that class you have a formula, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. This is the formula for multiplication of fraction. It means your first numerator into second numerator, that means 2 into 4 upon first denominator into second denominator, 8 upon 15 is your answer. So this is the very simple way to multiply two fraction. But class, sometimes you have that kind of questions where you have a one fraction like this, but the other number, first number is your fraction, but the other number is sometimes your whole number. In this time you can see this 2 is a whole number, and sometimes you have a mixed fraction. So in this time you can see in both the cases first number or second number. Class, either it's like this or either it's like this. So you can see in both the cases first number or sometimes second number is your fraction. So remember, in multiplication, if one of the number is the fraction like this, then convert the other number into fraction. How you convert the other number into fraction? For that, first I am taking the example of whole number. If the other number is whole number, understand? So for that, it's very simple. If it is a whole number, then we can put 1 as a denominator. So there is no change in the value of this whole number. 2 is there and 2 upon 1 means 2. So there is no change in the number. But class, you can see your first fraction is there and this whole number now convert into fraction. So in this case, convert the whole number into fraction. So the meaning is numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator, that means 8 upon 5. That is your answer. In second case class, you can see your first number is fraction but your second number is mixed fraction. So first you convert your mixed fraction into fraction. 2 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Now this is your fraction, this is also the fraction. So now again, how to solve the fraction, multiplication of fraction? Numerator into numerator into denominator into denominator, that means 20 upon 10. Class, your new topic is multiplication of fraction by simplification. So class, you can simplify your fraction in this step also. How you solve that? You can see, if you can see even numbers, then you can divide those even numbers by 2. And if you can see in numerator and denominator, just check your numerator and denominator. If there is a multiple of any number, then you can change that. How? I will explain you. Like in this time 4 and 3, there is no combination of 4 and 3. But if I am talking about 4 and 16, there is a combination, that is 16 is the multiple of 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. So you can solve your numerator and denominator by this. Now if I am talking about 3 and 15, there is a relationship. Yes, this 15 is a multiple of 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15. So you can see this is 1 into 4 and 1 into 5. The answer is 4 upon 5. So class, you can solve your, or you can simplify your fraction in this step also. One more example. Now there is a 16 upon 21 into 14 upon 18. So the meaning is 16 into 14 upon 21 into 18. So class, in this time there is a so many relationship. First I am taking the example of 6. Can you relate 6 and 21? Or you have another option 6 and 18. So you have two options, 6 and 18 and 6 and 21. If I am talking about 6 and 18, yes, you can divide this 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. But if I am talking about 6 and 21, there is also relationship. and that is this 6 and 21 are the multiple of 3. So I am doing this in this time for you. 3 2 just 6 and 3 7 just 21. Understand? Or class, the same question I can do this also. 6 1 just 6 and 6 3 just 18. So there is no problem. Now class, if I am talking about 7 and 14, or we can say 2 and 18, there is a relationship between 2 and 18 also. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. And if I am talking about 14 and 9, there is no relationship, but 7 and 14, 7 2 ja 14. So answer is 2 upon 9. And if I am talking about here class, this is your answer. 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Now 3 and 14, there is no relationship, but in 21 and 14, these two are the multiple of 7. So these two are the multiple of 7. So 7 2 ja 14 and 7 3 ja 21. So the meaning is 2 upon 9. So in both the cases you can see your answer is same. One more type of multiplication is there class, when you have this kind of question. 3 upon 9 of 27. So the meaning of means class multiply. So the meaning is 3 into 9 into 27, and you all know if this is your fraction, then convert this whole number in fraction. So how to convert the whole number in fraction? I told you 27 upon 1. So this whole number now turn into or convert into fraction. So the meaning is 3 into 27 upon 9 into 1. And now you can solve this. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9 upon 1 into 1, that is 9.